Prvo, dobrodošli, ovo je, ja mislim, naš 6. ili 7. kamp, 3. ovdje u Gradinama. Cijela ekipa tu komplet, da napravimo jedan mali uvod i svako večer ćemo imati presek stanja dana, ali ćemo sutra imati i ozbiljne radionice i neke prezentacije. Moje ime je Marko Nikolić i ja sam osnivač ovih kampova. Ovo nam je 7. kamp. Razlog je jednostavan, bavim se splitboardingom već 13 godina, pre toga ski touringom i dosta dugo planinskim sportovima i ceo svoj život sam posvetio tome. I odlučio sam da moramo nešto da promenimo jer nemamo sistem, nemamo iskustva, a imamo dobre terene u okruženju. I to je bio prvi osnovni razlog da dignemo bezbednost i svest na više nivo jer postaje sve popularnije i pristupačnije. Živko je FMG guide iz Bugarske, Kosmin je FMG guide iz Šamonija.
My name is Živko and I come from Bulgaria. I'm an IFMJ mountain guide and I would say devoted snowboarder, can ski as well. I like climbing, general mountaineering, ice, all of it, mountain biking.
Hi, my name is Cosmin. I was born in Romania. I'm an IFMJ mountain guide and I live in Chamonix in France. I work full-time as a guide. This is my profession. So, what my objectives for tomorrow are. The track on the way up is something that it helps us to save energy, especially if you do a long tour. And how you do that, okay? Whether you know the terrain or you don't know the terrain. But most important that the track on the way up is a risk management tool. I'm really happy to be here. For me it's a new place to discover. It's my first time in Montenegro. Actually, I've never skied here before. I always wanted to come. This is a very good opportunity for me to also meet the local community. How we communicate, how we share the tasks in the group, how to carry the equipment when we cannot use the skins anymore or we have to boot back, and how we do these transitions very, very fast. So how we choose a line to go down that is both enjoyable, not only safe. But these are the objectives besides just like trying to go somewhere.
Uglavnom, jako je bitno da proverite večeras svoju opremu, da znate da vam nešto štima, ne štima, da li je utegnuto, nije utegnuto.
Hoće li neko jaja da prebači? Ja.
Treba svima da proverimo bipere.
I came here at Marco's invitation. I think that was about 2 years ago. I didn't manage to come last year. I managed this time to talk about avalanches and ski touring and a little bit of ski mountaineering. Not as much as to teach, but to exchange with the local community. So what I would like everybody to do now, start your beacon. And I want everybody to put their machines on search. Everybody. Okay? And then you come one by one at a distance of 15 meters.
You walk around and go back.
Good. Leave it like this. Everybody's got skins? Board or skis, poles, gloves. How do you say let's go? Kako se kaže idemo?
Ajde.
Ajde! A, pa to je naša reč.
Sve je to naše.
Yes, full.
The wheels are in the air. Oh, hello everybody, my name's Andy. I'm the guy who writes the fucking photo.
Low gas, bro, low gas. The lowest gas you can do, yeah.
To, samo to.
We're going on a trip. This one.
I've been here in the Bogićevica area. We've been doing this really nice Kittering Splitboard Festival. It's my second year this time, and it has been quite a good one, I would say.
Okay, yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
Up there, you'll be the one thinking how should we climb up. Okay? So you go diagonally. You
Conditions have been quite good this year. Interesting snow, but also people are really into learning new things, and that's also one of the reasons why I'll be around here.
on mid step, then one more time, you continue this way. We're talking about saving energy. Pretty much now the snow is not that deep, obviously. Going over there, that's where we stop again for talking. would you go in a terrain that looks like that over here? It gets steeper, you have the avalanche troubles. What would you do? Best case scenario is somewhere on top of a ridge. You want to be high, you don't want to be down in the gully.
This year there was a really neat, quite compact group of snowboarders that I was guiding. They were all really interested in all the trainings, but also while we would be moving up and down, everybody would be following strictly what I would say. Everybody was really excited and passionate and generally into whatever we would be doing, which is good. You don't really want to be just like a passenger over there and not knowing what's going on. So I'm quite happy with it, yeah.
Up. Dobar dan.
Dobro jutro.
Jaka ste?
Ide.
Ali ovo je maks. Alright, so what are the stages of searching when you do the beacon search? There was an avalanche somewhere over here, something happened. What is the first thing you do when you approach the avalanche?
We went to basic avalanche training. We did some rope work with free riding techniques, search and rescue, a lot of trip planning, pretty much many things about picking up a line, how do you want to prepare when you go, how do you do it in advance, how do you do it on terrain, and also how do you go down, how to do the safe spots, how to do planning of the route, and so on and so on.
For searching, you go somewhere up there and you don't want to see where the... Sure. Yes.
A meni ne piše koliko.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Aha,
start.
piše. So 1 meter.
Okay, what can you do in this case? You obviously on one all, like the two of you. What can you do?
He stays here, I could...
Yeah, go.
But you can mark it.
Mark
That's
it.
why you have the marking thing. You go here, you mark, just press it. Press it longer. Okay, and this one is excluded. And now you can continue.
Now I go to
yeah. And you stay on this one.
This is it, it's more deeper.
8. This is the line. 6. Over here. Ah!
Oh, I see the guy.
The moment you see something over there,
Both of them.
the one that is at the front, you start digging only with his hands. You want to clean the mouth, you want to find where the hell. Now you can.
Samo stojiš na glavi. Jel diše?
Evo ga.
Nismo merili vreme, ali dobro.
Bravo.
Yes.
Znači da viču, kad ćeš, šta će? Sad jesu. Sad jesu.
Postoji
A, dobro.
Hey, start! If you all going to the same one, two of you mark it as close as possible. Yeah, mark it. And continue. You obviously always the same one.
Evo ga, metar 09, našao sam ga. Teži.
Ovdje. Krenaš i odmah, ajde.
Nađen.
Yeah, now you can take away.
Rešli smo ga brzo.
Daj čokolade.
Ovu trojicu.
If needed, you can still clean around, but you want to see where the head is.
Ajde, diši, brate! Gotovo!
Hey.
Bravo, Željko.
4:53.
Brale. Eto Bog da te ovakav sneg. Može samo se pomoći.
Ovo je bite veći.
Ovo je biti ugušio u roku od 2 minuta, betonira.